Get started with ease. Input your compass reading for tailored advice and optimize your space for buying, renting, or living with this practical Feng Shui program. Get a compass that shows degrees. Visit myhousecoding.com and choose your property type. Begin your magical Feng Shui journey. Step 1. Outdoor measurement. Stand at the center of the doorway, facing outward. Use a compass to measure the degree and input it into the program. The program will provide Feng Shui key points for auspicious, unfavorable, and wealth-related directions. Scan 360 degrees. Observe the surroundings according to the suggested degrees. Select if it matches, or skip and proceed to the next question. Step 2. Indoor measurement. Return to the approximate center of your home, the Taiji point. Place the compass at this central point to align with the indoor layout. Answer indoor-related questions based on the degree directions provided by the program. Choose if it matches, skip if it doesn't, and proceed to the next question. Click the check button to submit your answers. The program will evaluate the results, offering insights into prosperity, harmony, and more. Before payment, select your birthday, free, to uncover unique harmonious areas, with insights tailored for multiple family members by birth year. Pay securely with Stripe, a global leader in payment security. After payment, click Download Report or screenshot your results. Easily switch between day and night modes to customize your report background. Wishing you an enjoyable experience.